We're doing a video inspection demonstration and walk around of Chevy HD 3500 Chevrolet pickup truck, 1-ton truck. Sensational offering. This truck was originally purchased new from manufactured by a municipality. They kept the truck approximately 8 years and sold it, and our company bought it, and it's had a real easy life since then. It's used hardly at all. We haul a little mulch with it in the spring, a little stone now and then to patch up the driveway, and we plow with it in the winter time. 2 brand new batteries in it, completely gone over. Look what's left on that cutting edge. Cutting edge is like new. Truck was just kept in one of the bays of the barn. It's just a sensational piece. You see, that's the original seat. Doesn't even have a crack in it. Bed's not all dented up. Never hauled big aggregate. Salt spreader's in excellent condition. Here's the bed. There's the tarp is brand new. They just put the tarp on yesterday, replaced it. The other one's getting a little shabby.